Greetings, I'm Lloyd Noonan. Thank you for signing up for this Humanities 1 online class taught through the Etudes course management system. I'm happy you've decided to go on this adventure. This is a very brief overview of the class and your Etudes course site. First, what about this word, humanities? Consider it cultural history. Humanities 1 is about the arts in cultural history. We're looking at painting, sculpture, architecture, literature, including poetry, drama, music, dance, film, television, and video arts. Yes, it's a bunch to absorb in one semester, but if you keep up with the assignments and discussions, I'm confident you'll do well. You might even enjoy the experience. Here is a way to look at the arts and humanities. Think of it as creative people telling stories. Because yes, novels have stories to tell, but so do the choices architectures make. They tell stories. The way a playwright dispenses information, that tells stories. And the conception of a choreographer, again, telling stories. So, this online class. Take a look at the left menu bar in the Etudes course site. You'll see home, course map, announcements, syllabus, modules, assignments, tests and surveys, discussions and private messages, gradebook, activity meter. See that? The first thing you should do is read the syllabus, so click on the syllabus. It contains details about what will be happening, including expectations, during the next 8 or 16 weeks, depending on the length of the class. The class includes short answer assignments, essays, multiple choice tests, class discussions, and something called 3 Degrees of Humanities 1, where you analyze connections among artists. You'll see that there are quite a few assignments, but I offer ample time to complete them. Many assignments are open from the first day of class. If you find yourself with extra time during the semester, you might even consider working ahead a bit. The truth is, fewer than 1 in 100 students actually do this, but I want to point out that the option is there. So, once you read the syllabus, send me a private message within Etudes indicating that you are still interested in the class. From now until the end of the class, all one-on-one correspondence between you and me will be through this private message system within Etudes and not through our El Camino College email. There are many ways I remind you about what is due when, and most importantly, what to do next. At least twice a week, I send out an announcement with reminders going over upcoming deadlines. These announcements are sent to you through your El Camino College email. They are also archived in the announcement link within Etudes. Upcoming deadlines are also found on the home page. In addition, the entire semester's worth of assignments, deadlines, can be found under Course Map. Please consult the Course Map frequently. Take a look at the modules. In addition to discussions, the modules are our classroom. They contain links to videos, podcasts, PowerPoint presentations, and websites that I hope add to your appreciation of the humanities and Humanities 1. Assignment tests and surveys are just that, the place to find your assignments and tests. Class discussion sections open up every 2 weeks or every 1 week, depending upon the length of our class. Each discussion section offers a minimum of 12 discussions. You should participate and engage in 5 discussions of your choice. Select the 5 discussions in which you feel most confident, the discussions in which you feel you'll have the most to offer. Please consult the syllabus and homepage with details on how to get maximum points for class discussion. Well, that's an ever so brief overview. And if you come up with questions, you can post the questions to your entire class on the discussions and private message page. Or you can send me an individual question. I'll respond to your question within 24 hours. Thank you for being part of the class. I look forward to your participation.